Hope you have gone through my last video on install PyCharm by easy installation steps. So in PyCharm, you will see this windows. Now here we'll be going for new file, new Python file. Type the file name. I'm just going to type of basics stuffs. So in this first program, we are just going to code something which prints some text or symbol in the console. So the function used for that is print. Open and close braces. Inside codes, you have to type the required text or something. So I'm just going to write test here, or we can write this is how we print statements. Sorry. Yeah. So go for run. So we can see the basics here. So if we run this, you can see that this is how we print a statement. So I'm just going to show one more example using print. I'm just going to type programming for fun. Yeah, here we go. Programming for fun, and I'm just going to run this now. You can see that first programming for fun is printed, and then this is how we print statement is being printed. So that you can see this is being printed in a statement. So when I change the sequence of this print statement, you can see the console statement is also being changed. This is how we print a statement and programming for fun. So in my upcoming sessions, we will see many new concepts: integers, variable, what are variables and what are integers, etc. So subscribe and stay tuned till my next video.